Imagine being able to create any object you can think of, right from your desktop. This is the world of 3D printing, and like traditional manufacturing, which carves away material. 3D printing is additive manufacturing. It builds objects from the ground up. Layer by layer, the journey begins in the digital world, using computer-aided design. OrCAD software, engineers and artists craft precise 3D models. But a printer can't read a 3D model directly. It needs a map. This is where slicing software comes into play. The slicer breaks the design into hundreds of thin layers, creating a set of instructions called G-code for the printer to follow. Now, the physical work begins. In Fused Deposition Modeling, or FDM, the most common type of printing, the machine must first heat up. Plastic filament, wound on a spool, is fed into the extruder. It's melted down to a semi-liquid state, ready for deposition. The nozzle moves across the print bed, laying down the first layer. This foundation is critical for the success of the entire build. As the plastic is deposited, cooling fans instantly solidify it. The printer then moves slightly upward to begin the next layer. Precision is key. The print head moves along the X and Y axis for horizontal detail, controlled by high-torque stepper motors. The Z-axis controls the height. After each layer, the bed drops or the nozzle rises by a fraction of a millimeter. Over hours or even days, the object grows. What started as a digital file is now a physical, three-dimensional structure. While FDM uses plastic, other technologies like SLA use liquid resin and UV light to create incredibly high-detail parts. Industrial machines even use metal powders and high-powered lasers to print engine components and aerospace parts. The applications are endless, from custom-fit medical prosthetics that change lives to lightweight parts for space exploration. It also empowers artists and hobbyists to create intricate designs that would be impossible to manufacture using any other method. 3D printing has bridged the gap between imagination and reality. It's not just a tool, it's the future of how we build our world. The only limit is your imagination. What will you print next? Explore more and start your journey into the world of tech today.